Hello everyone, my name is Jimmy Saptrasnaga. In this video, I will present the result of my work on the topic of an abstract analysis of the journal titled Reaction Diffusion Kinetics on the Lattice at the Microscopic Scale, and given by Ms. Aisyah Nur Afieta Setiawan, Bachelor of Mathematics, Magister of Science. Abstract. Lattice-based stochastic simulator are commonly used to study biological reaction diffusion process. Some, some of the schemas that are based on the reaction diffusion master equation (RDMA) can simulate for extended spatial and temporal scales, but cannot directly account for the microscopic effect in the cell such as volume exclusion and diffusion influence reaction. Non-headless finite size molecule explicitly as a random walker on fine lattice fossils. The theory and consistency of MLM in simulation diffusion by employing the sparsity simulation scheme. Applying the random walk theory, we consult the general tropical framework, machine, Conlist, Campbell, and Leach-based rate constant. We obtained the experience to determine direction expectance, probability, and focal size. We found that the size of voxel should be about 2% larger than the molecule. The tropical framework time is more than an order of magnitude faster than AGFRD when diffusing macromolecule with typical concentration observed in the cell. In the cell, MLM also switched could affirmate with a GFRD and mean field models in case studies of two basic motifs of intracellular reaction compartment in populate with volume excluding obstacle. MLM captures the non-classical reaction kinetic caused by anomalous diffusion of reaction molecules. Purpose. Here we examine MLM in solving diffusion influenced reaction in the 3D space by employing the spatially simulation scan. Problem. Lattice-based stochastic simulators are commonly used to study biological reaction diffusion process. Some of the schemas that are based on the reaction diffusion master equation (RDMA) can simulation for extended spatial and temporal scales, but cannot direction directly account for the microscopic effect in the cell such as volume exclusion and diffusion influence reaction. Note Nonetheless, so schemas based on the high resolution microscopic lattice method (MLM) can directly simulate the effects by representing Earth's fine-sized molecule ex- explicitly as a random walker on fine lattice follows the theory and consistency of MLM in simulation diffusion inflation reaction have not been clarified in the tiles. Methodology. Applying the random walks theory, we con we construct we construct the general theoretical framework underlying the method and option analytical expression for the total rebranding probability and the effective reaction rate by matching Conley-Campbell and lattice-based rate constant. We obtained the experience that determine the reaction expectation probability x focal size. Result and this discussion. We found that the size of focal should be about 2% larger than the molecule. The theoretical framework of MLM is validated by numerical simulation showing good agreement with the off-lattice particle-based method AGFRD. MLM runtime is more than an order of magnitude faster than EGRF when diffusing mass complex with typical concentration observed observed in the cell. MLM also showed good agreement with GRF and the mean fit modeling in case studying of the basic motif and influential signaling, the protein production degradation process, and the dual phosphorylation dephosphorylation cycle. In addition, when a reaction compartment is populated with pollen excluding obstaxumum, MLM captures the non-classical reaction kinetic caused by anomalous diffusion of the reaction molecules. Conclusion: the theoretical framework of MLM is valid by numerical simulation showing the method is accurate computation computationally fast than faster than EGFRD and capable capable of capturing microscopic effects such as pollen exclusion and anomalous diffusion in the reaction diffusion system. Thank you for watching my video.